Okay, y'all, by now, I'm sure Greg has spoiled the surprise by showing you what's in the large mystery box, and this bad boy is in there. Guys, I'm super excited that we finally have a portable e-file. Now, don't worry, if you didn't get the large mystery box, which this is in, this will launch by itself later on after Black Friday. But let's get started. Let me show you what's inside this box and how to use it. I love this little machine. I'm going to show you some very basic things of what you're going to do when you pull it out of the box. Okay, once you get it, you're going to notice that you have a handpiece, you have your base unit, and you have your charger. We highly recommend that you plug it in to get a full charge before you do anything. To plug it in to charge, we're just going to take our power cord, and at the very top to the right is the slot to plug it in. Once we have charged it fully, we can go ahead and plug in our handpiece, and I'm going to show you how to change your bit out of your handpiece. You'll notice that when you first pull it out, it's come with a straight bit. This is just a placeholder. We recommend to keep this bit in when you're not using your electric file. We're going to take it, and if you look right here, we have a lock and an arrow. Okay, this is locked in place. The bit will not remove, it won't pull out. To change it, we're going to turn it to the left. We're going to hold tight on the handpiece, upper part of the handpiece, and right here in the center, this part turns. We're going to turn it all the way to where it says unlock. Once we've done that, we can pull our bit out. You're going to place it inside, and then we're going to turn it till it locks again. Now that bit will not go anywhere. Once we put our bit in, whatever bit you have decided to work with, we'll notice the power buttons in the center of our unit. We're going to hold that down for about 3 seconds, and this is going to turn it on. Right now, I have the speed down completely, so if you notice, there is no movement in my drill bit. But we just move the dial up, and as we move it up, it increases the speed. Now, you can also change rotation. So right-handed people typically go in forward, left-handed people go in reverse, and to change direction, we just push once. If you notice, we have now changed the rotation. Again, if we want to change it back, we can push once again, and we're back to going forward. To turn the machine off, we're just going to hold it down for about 3 seconds, and that turns your unit off.
Subscribe the channel now. Subscribe the channel now. Sub and subscribe the channel.